Good morning, one and everyone. 11th standard subject statistics. The first chapter, collection of data. In this chapter, today we are going to see the source of the secondary data and the precautions while using before them. But before this, we try to understand the definition of secondary data. What do you understand by secondary data? The data collected by someone else, the data collected by some other institute, but applied by or used by the other person or other people, it is known as secondary data. For example, data from the newspaper, data from the social media, they are known as the secondary data. Data from the magazine, newspaper, they are known as secondary data. Data of the reports of the inquiry commission, inquiry committees, they are also known as secondary data. Secondary data means collected by someone else and used by the other person, other people, other institute, and that is why they are known as secondary data. As the data, secondary data collected by some other persons, the precautions must be taken while using before them. But before this, we take the main sources or the chief sources of the secondary data. The main sources of the secondary data are, first of all, government publications and semi-government publications. Which type of publication government publish? Then 5 plan, some particular plans, industrial, agricultural, space, science and technology, geology, biology, zoology, etc. Other field. The scheme, government scheme, semi-government units, LIC, GEB, means MGCL, etc. The other units also, Water Works Department, PWD, they regularly publish the secondary data for the purpose of the public, for the purpose of the people of their countries. Publications of international and foreign government. IMF, International Monetary Fund, WHO, World Health Organizations, you know, United Nations organizations, some other institute also of international units that regularly publish the data, means it is said that publications of international units and foreign government. Reports of the inquiry commissions and inquiry committees. If some incident is there, then government appoint inquiry committees and inquiry commissions. They submit the report to the government and government publish them to the public in other newspaper and in the media, by television or by any other media. Means reports of the inquiry commissions and committees, they are also known as source of the secondary data. Publication of local and self-government, state government and central government also supply the secondary data. For example, Nagarpalika, Mahanagar Seva Sadan, etc. They regularly publish the data for their town and cities. It is known as publications of local and self-government, inspired by state government and central government. Publications of different trade unions and associations. For example, Association of Building Material, Association of Clothing Merchants, Association of Gold, means makers and their production, association of different oil means fuels and etc. means publications of different trade unions and association. The publications are also known as the sources of the secondary data, and also the various newspapers and magazines. For example, Times of India, the Economic Times, etc. newspapers, also the Sport magazine, Film Star, etc. economic, political, sports. The newspaper and magazines also supplies the secondary data. Also, the publications of which data from unpublished sources or unpublished information. Some information are in records of universities, are in records of government. If the demand is there, means some people make RTI, right to information, and then information can be obtained from the particular department. Means unpublished data, data from unpublished information or unpublished sources. These are the main sources of the secondary data. See, There are mainly two types of data, primary data and secondary data. Last time we have discussed about methods for collecting primary data. Primary data means what? Data collected by investigator himself for his own purpose. Data which are collected for the first time. It is known as primary data. And various methods, likewise direct method, indirect method, questionnaire method, sent by post, sent by enumerator. Previously we have discussed. Today the source of the secondary data and now the precautions while using before secondary data. What precautions must be taken? As the secondary data are collected by someone else and used by the other people, other institutions, the precautions must be taken. Which type of precautions are taken while before using secondary data? So first of all, the source, we have to check the source of the information. If the source is powerful, the basic source is powerful, the source of the information and by whom and by which institute the data collected and the data from where is built, it must be justified, it should be checked. The purpose of the data related with the analysis of the study amount. If we want the data on educational purpose, academic purpose, and the data for the health ministry is available, then it would be meaningless or useless. Therefore, the relevant field, whatever may be the aim, whatever may be the purpose, it must be achieved. Means the purpose or aim of the data, it should be related with or relevant with the analysis of the or study of the data, which is or not, we have to check. The data should be of the relevant means recent time period. If we want to compare the price of the gold, price of the grains, price of the milk per liter, petrol per liter, etc., then it should be of the recent time, relevant time, and not so far, not before. Means and not in the ancient time. Means it should be of the proper time. Proper relevant time means recent data. The data must be collected for the particular class and level of the people taken under study. If we want to study the check the level of higher income group, then data must be of that particular group. Means different class of people, different class of data. Means the data must be collected for the particular class of people or level of the people taken before, means taken in the study. We have to avoid such type of information, ready-made information, the directly enumerated or estimated information, that it must not be used. To avoid the ready-made data or results means which are directly estimated or enumerated. The data must be actually collected, actual results can be obtained. These precautions must be taken. Whether the data are suitable for the purpose of inquiry or not, data from which sources are taken, accuracy, degree of accuracy, time period of collection, these points must be checked while using before secondary data. Therefore, this is one of the important question of this chapter. Collection of data, chapter number 1. The main sources or the chief sources of the secondary data for 2 to 3 marks, 3 to 4 marks, and precautions while using before secondary data of the generally about 2 marks. Therefore, you must prepare this topic. Here we covered and completed chapter number 1, that is collection of data. You must prepare, you must read from our textbook. Because chapter number 1 is pure theory chapter, totally theory chapter. No practical, no numericals examples are there. From chapter number 2 onwards, presentation of the data by diagrams, by graphs, tabulation, etc. that we are going to see, and therefore please study well. Okay, thank you everybody. Thank you very much.